Good morning, grade 6. Today, inshallah, we'll take test practice as a revision for chapter 8, page 481. But before we start solving these exercises, guys, if you have any questions about the previous homework or the previous ideas, you can ask me. If you have any questions about the previous homework or the previous ideas, you can ask me. Okay, let's start. We are on page 481 with the test practice, question 1. Who can help me with it, guys? Question 1. Okay, I'll do question 1. Find the area of the following parallelograms of one of the following parallelograms in the quiet pattern shown. Now, yes, Amr.
Hello, Mr.
Yes, Amr. See the parallelogram here?
Yeah.
See the one with the 3 centimeter and the 4 centimeter, right?
Yeah.
Now, what's the 3 centimeter? What we call it?
Base.
Base. And the 4?
Height.
Height. If you read the question again, find the area of one of the parallelograms. Means they want an area of one of them, not all, right? Which is the one with the 3 and the 4, right?
Yeah.
So, do you know the area of the parallelogram? What's the area?
Yeah, A equals BH.
A of the parallelogram equals PH. And the base given how much?
3.
Huh? 3. And
3.
the height?
By 4.
4. So
3
it's
by 4 equals 12.
12. What's the unit?
12 centimeters squared.
Exactly. Thank you. This is question 1, page 481, guys. They want the area of one of the parallelograms given the base, given the height. Just apply the formula. Just apply the formula. Let's see question 2. It's multiple choice. It's similar to the ideas which we bring always in the exams and the assignments. So it's multiple choice question. Question 2. Aysam, read Aysam.
Yes, hi, Mr.
Hello, read.
Multiple choice. What is the height of the parallelogram?
So the question wants us to find the parallelogram, right?
Yes.
What's the given information here? What they give us?
Base and the area.
How much the base?
Base is 11 meters.
11 meters. And the area?
And the area 170.5 square meter.
170?
170.0. 0.5.
170.5, right?
Yeah.
Meter power 2, right?
Yes.
So the base is given, the area is given, and they want from us to find what?
H.
The height. Now let's apply. What do you start? What's the figure in front of us? It's a parallelogram, right?
Yes.
What's the formula which connects these 3 variables together?
A equal BH.
BH. A equal BH. Now let's apply, let's substitute, let's replace. How much is A?
A 170.5.
170.5. We put it in a place of A. How
Yeah.
much is B?
B is 11 meters, then we will put height only.
11. And the height comes down. It is multiply H, right?
Yes.
But in the multiplication with variable, we don't put it. So it is 11H. Now what we call this, Isam?
This we call it the formula.
We call it multiplication equation.
Yes, multiplication equation.
This is the formula. The step 1, the formula. Step 2, multiplication equation, because we have multiply here. Now, how we solve the multiplication equation?
We will divide by 11 on 170.5.
We divide by 11 in both sides. See it.
Yes.
Say it.
Both sides.
Say it again.
We will divide by 11 on both sides.
Good. So I will rewrite the equation 170.5 equal 11H, and we will divide both sides by 11. We did that a lot before.
Yeah.
Now we cross the 11s and we make division to know how much the height is, right?
Yes.
Let's divide. 170 divided by 0.5 for sure, divided by 11, right?
Yes.
Now the 1 cannot divide on 11, but the 17 can. What we put here?
1.
1, because 2 gives it 22, bigger than 17. 1 by 11, 11, subtract 6, right?
Yes, then we will put
Did we get the 0 down? Now 60 divided by 11, how much?
5.
5. 5 by 11, it is 55. Subtract 5, right?
Yes.
Now, while we are going to get the 5, we need to put the decimal up, right?
Yes.
Once we get the decimal, we put it up directly. Now, get the 5 down. What we have?
55. The answer is
divided on 11.
Yeah, 5.
It's 5. 5 by 11, 55. Subtract 0. So, what's the value of H?
15.5.
15.5. Which the correct answer? We have multiple choice. Which answer of them?
D.
Answer D. So the correct answer is D. This is question 2, guys. Do not just select the final answer. Please don't do that. Write the steps, how we get it. Don't just put circle on D and that's all. No. Write the steps, please. This is question 1 and 2. Let's do question 3. Read the Najam.
Okay, Mr.
Hello.
Find the area of the triangle.
So we want the area of the triangle, right?
Yes.
What we need for the triangle, ya Najam?
We must do the formula.
Yeah. What's the formula?
A equal half BH.
Half BH equal.
Then we will make half.
Look here, Najam. Look here, Najam. Look here. Half the L. It's kind of silent. Okay. Half. Okay. Yeah. Half multiply what?
Half multiply 6 multiply 15.
Good. The base is how much?
The base is 6.
6 multiply the height.
Yes.
Again يا ابني
15.
15. So the base is 6 and the height is 15 inch. Now, how we find it, do you know?
We will make 6 divided by 2
أيوة.
equal 3.
3 multiply
Then we
15.
multiply 15.
Multiply by side, 3 by 15,
45.
how much?
45.
ممتاز. It is
45.
45 inch squared. Half of 63 multiply 15, 45 inch squared. This is question 3. Write the steps, guys, please. Don't just write the final answer. Question 4. Question 4. Koshak, read.
Yolanda wants to replace the grass in this triangular section of her yard with mulch. A bag of mulch costs 4.85 and covers 3 square feet. Which of the following statements accurately describe the situation?
Good. So this girl, Yolanda, she wants to cover this triangular area by mulch, right?
Right.
So, and they gave us the money of each bag or whatever, right? So what we need to do here to find the whole cost?
First, to write the equation of the triangle.
What is it?
Half multiply BH.
So first we find the area. This is not equation of the triangle. We don't call it equation of the, we call it area of the triangle, okay? So A equal half base height, right?
Right.
Now, what's the base given in the question?
24 feet.
24 feet. And the height?
20 feet.
20 feet. Now let's find the area first. First step, we find the area, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Equal
Guys,
and
we have choices down here, right? We have choices. But before looking to the choices, let's find the area, find everything. Then we go to see the choices. Got it? Now,
Yes.
A equal half multiply the base 24,
24
multiply the height 20, right?
Right.
Now let's apply it. Half of it 10 times the 24, how much? 200?
240
240 feet
feet.
to the power of 2.
40
So first step, we found what? The area.
area.
Got it? Now let's
Yes.
go back and read the question again to see what we need to do more, right?
Okay.
Let's read the question again, me and you. The question said, Yolanda wants to replace the grass in this triangular section of her yard with a mulch. خلاص?
Yes.
Right. A bag of mulch costs 4.85. Each one means a bag. A bag means one bag, right?
Right.
A bag of mulch costs $4.85 and covers 3 square feet. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Now let's find how many bags we need. How we know how many bags we need?
The area is 240, so we'll make
So-
240 divided by 3 equals 80 bags.
Excellent, excellent. So because each bag covers 3 square feet, so we need to know how many 3 square feet inside this 240, because each bag covers 3 square feet, right? So to know how many bags, the number of bags here, the number of bags is how we find it. We divide 240 divided by 3, which is 80
80.
what?
Bags.
80 bags. But each bag costs how much?
$4.85.
So the total cost here, the cost of this yard will be 80, the number of bags, multiply the cost of each bag. Again, how much?
$4.85.
$4.85. Let's see the total cost now. I'll use my calculator. Just give me a second.
Equal 388.
80, let me just check. 80 multiply 4.85 equals 388 what? Dollars, right?
Right.
Now, what we did, guys, here, first we found the area, then we found the number of bags, we divide on 3. Why we divide on 3? Because each bag covers 3 square feet, okay? Then we multiply the number of bags by the cost of each bag to know the total cost of covering this triangular yard by mulch, صح? So we did everything here. We found the area, we found the number of bags, we found the cost. Now let's go and see the choices there. Which one of them or more than one is correct? The question at the end said, which of the following statements accurately describe this situation? Select all that apply. Let's see the first one. See the first one?
Yes.
Read it.
The area of the triangle is 480 square feet.
Is this correct?
No.
No, because we found the area. It is how much?
240.
240. So the first one, ignore it. But the second one, read.
The area of the triangle is 240 square feet.
Is this correct?
True.
True. So we check the first one, guys. The second one, sorry. The second one is applied. The area correctly 240 square feet. We found it. But the third one, Yolanda.
Will need 8 bags of mulch. Correct.
Is this correct? Yes. We found the number of bags. How much? 80 bags. So select it. Yolanda will need 80 bags. Yes. Then
Yolanda will need 120 bags of mulch.
no, we found it. It's 80 already, right? So ignore it. Then
Yolanda will spend 363.75 on mulch.
is this correct?
No.
No, we found the cost. It's 388. So ignore it. Then
Yolanda will spend 388 on mulch.
which is the correct one? We found it already, right?
Right.
Good. So what are the correct choices here? The second one, the third one, and the last one. The second, the third, and the last one. These are the correct choices describing this question. Now, let's see the next question here. Write, or what is the height of the trapezoid? Question 5. Question 5. Copy this question, guys. Question 4. Copy it, please. Copy the steps. The steps, please. Let's see question 5 now. Question 5. Yanal Muhammad.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla ya Manal. Do you understand these questions here?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. Read with me question 5. What they want from us.
What is the height of the trapezoid in yards?
Good. So they want us to find the height, right? And we have a trapezoid. Sheikh?
Yes.
Yeah. What's the given informations? What we have, the given informations.
We have the area and the two bases.
Good. The A, how much the area?
73.5 yards to the
73.5 squared yards, right?
Yeah.
What else? Base 1, how much?
Base 1 is 12.
12 yards. Good. Base 2,
Base
how much?
2 is 9 yards.
9 yards. And they want from us to find what?
The height.
The height. The area of the trapezoid given, base 1 given, base 2 given, they want the height. Tell me, what will you start with?
A equal half multiply, but the multiply is not put in bracket B1 plus B2. Multiply height.
Multiply height. So we start with the given, with the area of the trapezoid, right? Now, the next step, what we
Yes.
need to do?
We will replace.
We replace the given and the not given also. We replace everything. A is how much?
73.5.
73.5 equal half multiply. Base 1 given 12.
12.
Base 2 given
9.
9. Multiply the height wanted, comes down, right? Right, yeah, mister?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, 73.5 equal. What we need to do here?
First, we will multiply, we will add, the brackets.
So first, guys, we need to get rid of these numbers. I need to make them one number. So we simplify these numbers. And the height comes down always, right? We want it.
Yes.
So here, 12 plus 9, how much? 12 plus
12 plus 9 is 21.
21 divided by 2.
21 divided by 2.
Half of it 21, how much? Half of it 21, how much?
Yeah, half of 21. Okay. Wait, I
You
want
know?
to think.
Don't think. It is 10.5, right?
Yes, 10.5.
So 10.5 multiply h means 10.5 what? H, right?
Yes.
So this is what we call this thing here.
Multiplication equation.
So if we have multiplication equation, what we do, yeah?
Divide.
We divide what?
We'll divide both numbers.
Say it, Yabni. What's the sentence which I love to hear?
We will divide 10.5 on each side.
We will divide by 10.5 in each side. Say it.
We will divide by 10.5 in each side.
Good. Yeah, now we rewrite the equation 73.5 equals 10.5 height divided both sides with 10.5, right? Now we
Yes.
cross them here and we divide to know the height how much. صح? Now let's make long division.
Yes.
73.5 divided by 10.5. Do you know how we divide these numbers?
Yeah, we will put the decimal one digit.
Exactly. If you remember,
Mm.
guys, we took how we divide the decimals. We cannot divide if the divisor has a decimal. So first step, we need to push the decimal here one digit to the right. But if we do
And we will
something
make
here,
on the
we need to
second side
do
the
the
same.
same thing here. Exactly. So if we push one digit here, we need to push one digit here also. Now we divide, or we have new numbers. This number will be 735. This number will be 105, right?
Yes.
Now, can I try 7? Let's try.
Yes.
7 by 105. 7 by 5, 35, right?
35.
35.
Yeah.
5 down, 3 up. 7 by 0, 0. Plus 3, 3, right? 7 by 1, 7, which is
Yes.
the same of
7.
my
So the
dividend.
answer is correct.
So here 735. So the 7 is the answer. The height is how much? 7. 7 what?
7 yards.
This is question 5. Thank you, Yanab. Copy, guys, the question, please. Copy the question, please. Let's do question 6 now. In the next page. In the next page, let's do question 6, guys. On page 482, let's do the next question, question 6. Ibrahim, read Ibrahim.
Okay, Mr. Multiple choice. The shape of the park resembles a trapezoid, which
Wait. Resembles a trapezoid means it is not exactly trapezoid. Got it? It is not
Got it.
exactly trapezoid. It is similar to trapezoid, near to trapezoid. Got it?
Got it.
Continue.
Which of the following is the approximate area of the park?
Good. So they wrote for us, they don't write what is the area, right? They write or they wrote which of the following is the what? Approximate area. Means it is not exact area. It is near area, rounded area, because the area itself, it is not a trapezoid. We said it is approximated, right?
Right.
Now we have a trapezoid. Let's find its area. We have base 1, base 2, height, we have everything. Now we need to find the area of the trapezoid. Do you know it?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me.
First, we will do A equals to B1. No, half. Sorry, I forgot. Half
أيوة.
B1 and B2.
and B2. حلو. ممتاز. أيوة.
Multiply H.
ممتاز. B1 and B2. يا سلام. كمل أشوف. يلا.
Mr. No, not B1 and no, it's
You
Mr.
said.
Plus.
You said
Plus
and,
Mr.
not me والله.
Sorry,
أنت اللي حكيت.
Mr.
أنا ما
Plus.
حكيت.
Mr. Plus.
ما أنت حكيت and. ما أنا شوف أنا بدقق. فهمت شفت كيف؟ فيش and. and هاي أنت جبتها يا إبراهيم مش عارف من وين. It's a plus. يلا continue. Now let's replace them. We have base 1, we have base 2, we have everything. Let's find it. Half multiply base 1 how much?
Base 1 480.
480. Base 2
378.
378. Multiply the height
338.
338. Are you sure from the numbers?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, what's the first step here to simplify this numerical expressions or this numerical expression?
First,
What we need to do?
We will do 480 plus 378.
Let's add 480 plus 378, right?
Right.
Yeah. Here we have 8, 15, 8. Check.
Yes.
So half multiply, we did the bracket. The answer is how much?
858.
58 multiply 338, right?
You're right. And
now,
then we will do half multiply 858.
How we find the half of number? We divide on 2, right?
Right.
The half of a number, guys, divide the number on 2. So we have 858 divided by 2. Let's divide. 4, 8, subtract 0, 5, 2, 4, subtract 1, 8, 9, 8, 0, 9, 17. How much?
429.
So the half of 858 is 429. 429 now multiply 338. Now I will use my calculator to multiply it. Just give me a second. I have 429 multiply 338. It is equal 145,002. 145,002. What's the unit? Kilometer.
Mister, there's no, you mean 1,054,006. 154,600.
لحظة شوي يا ابني. 429 multiply 338. Yes, no, everything is correct, but let me tell you what's the problem here. Now, here, what's the unit, Yabni? What's the unit?
The unit kilometer.
Kilometer power 2, right?
Right.
This is the exact area of what? Of the trapezoid. But the wanted area is approximated, means we said from the first that it is not the exact area, right? We have something outside, so the area should be bigger. But what we will choose? We will choose the closest area.
Yes,
the closest area. Which one is the closest area for my answer here? This area, guys, it is not founded in your answers. Got it?
Got
So what
it.
we will do the nearest one. أقرب وحدة إلها, because from the first we have a deal that this is not the exact area. This is approximated one. So which one is close to this number? The closest number to this answer.
154,602.
Exactly. Choice B is the closest one. Choice B is the closest answer for us. The approximated area. Do you understand that?
Yes.
That's all for today, guys. We stop in question 6. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll continue these questions. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Bye.